Ever heard of Newton Exchange? Maybe you've seen the name floating around crypto circles, but you're not quite sure what it is or how big it is. Well, fret no more, crypto-curious minds, because today we're diving deep into Newton Exchange to uncover its true size and place in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Building context, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. The crypto space is a wild one. New exchanges pop up all the time, promising users the moon and back. But with so many options, it can be hard to know which ones are legit and which ones are just hype. So, before we dissect Newton Exchange, let's take a quick step back and establish what big means in the world of crypto exchanges. There are a few key metrics we can look at. Trading volume. This refers to the total amount of cryptocurrency bought and sold on the platform in a given time frame. The higher the volume, the more active the exchange. Number of supported currencies. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for crypto exchanges. The more coins and tokens an exchange offers, the more attractive it becomes to a wider range of users. User base. This might seem obvious, but the number of people actively using the platform is a big indicator of its size and popularity. Reputation and brand recognition. Has the exchange been around for a while? Does it have a good reputation among users and industry experts? Introducing Newton Exchange, 1 to 1:30. Now that we have a better understanding of what makes a big crypto exchange, let's get back to Newton Exchange. It's a peer-to-peer, P2P, cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies directly with each other. Launched in 2018, it focuses on emerging markets like Africa and Southeast Asia, offering a user-friendly platform and multiple fiat deposit options. Trading volume and market share, 1:30 to 2:30. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. How big is Newton Exchange in terms of trading volume? While it might not be the biggest exchange out there, Newton Exchange holds its own. According to insert relevant website, Newton Exchange consistently ranks within the top, insert number, P2P exchanges globally by trading volume. This means that a significant amount of crypto is being exchanged on their platform, indicating a healthy and active user base. Supported currencies, 2:30 to 3 o'clock. One of Newton Exchange's strengths is its focus on catering to emerging markets. They understand that not everyone has access to the same fiat currencies, so they offer a wider range of deposit options compared to some other major exchanges. This includes popular choices like USD, Euro, and GBP, but also caters to local currencies like Nigerian Naira, NGN, and Vietnamese Dong, VND. In terms of cryptocurrencies, Newton Exchange offers a good selection of popular coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, and Binance Coin, BNB. They also list some lesser-known tokens that are gaining traction in emerging markets. User base and geographic focus, 3 to 345. While exact user numbers can be tricky to nail down, Newton Exchange boasts a significant user base concentrated in Africa and Southeast Asia. This makes sense considering their focus on these regions by offering local fiat deposit options and catering to users who might be new to the crypto space. Reputation and brand recognition, 345 to 415. Newton Exchange has garnered a positive reputation within the crypto community. They're praised for their user-friendly platform, focus on emerging markets, and commitment to security. However, it's important to note that they are still a relatively young exchange compared to some giants in the industry. This means brand recognition might not be as widespread yet, especially outside of their core geographic focus. Security features, 415 to 445. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Newton Exchange takes it seriously. They employ a number of security features to protect user funds, including multi-factor authentication, MFA, two-way email confirmation, and secure storage solutions. The verdict: how big is Newton Exchange? 4:45 to 5 o'clock. So, how big is Newton Exchange? It's not the biggest exchange out there, but it holds its own with a respectable trading volume, a good selection of supported currencies,